Hi guys, it's Matthew again, and these are thought strategy for today. Make sure you subscribe to all the channels. It's 1st of April 2026, and we're trading the Volatility 31x hands outside. And after this trade, I'm going to explain this strategy to you. After this trade, I'm going to explain the strategy to you. And we have some minutes left, 2 minutes 1 second. So you can see our barrier right here. So we have 27 seconds left right here. You can see we're completely outside right here. So I'm going to explain this strategy to you in a bit. So we made $7.71 right here. We're taking high because this strategy is 100% guaranteed. So we're going to go back to trade. I'm going to close this. So as stated earlier, we're trading the ends between slash close outside, and we're using the smart trader. So once you log into your trading account, you go to smart trader, then you go to the market, you choose the volatility 31x, you set the durations to 3 minutes, set the high barrier offset to minus 2.018 and the low barrier offset minus 3.144. So we're going to be clicking on ends outside. Once the last number here is below 250, it can be 241, 200, 180 something. It has to be below 250. That's 96, 248. It has to be below 250. It could be 249, 48, 230, but this last three number has to be below 250. So we're going to go for a trade now. 618, 184. That's below 250. So we're going to click on view right here. So the number has to be below 250. It must not exceed 250. So let's wait for the outcome of our trade right here. So these are time count right here, and our barrier is visible. Don't forget, make sure you set your high barrier and your low barrier before you place your trade. Make sure you set your high barrier and your low barrier. So that's our time count right here. barrier are not visible at all. Don't forget, enter the amount you want to stake. In our case, remember we're staking high. As stated earlier, we're staking high. Depends on what you have in your account, but this strategy is 100% guaranteed. We've been using it for a while now. So we have 34 seconds left. Three seconds. So as you can see right there, we made $7.2 right there, $7.2. So that's it for this strategy. This strategy is 100% guaranteed. We've been using it for a while, as stated earlier. Make sure the number is below 250 before you place your trade. And for those who haven't purchased bots, the Toscaper bot and the Pip Stripper bot, they both work on Deriv, and they're still effective. And the links to order them are in the video description. We're also giving away free gifts. When you order any of our bots, you get some free gifts. And for the buy sell indicator for Deriv MT5 as well, we're still giving it away for free. Make sure you subscribe to all our channels. So for the bots, the links to order them, we're going to paste them in the video description. And for those who don't have a trading account, there's a link right there to sign up for a free trading account to test all the strategies on demo before you go live. Here is a link to subscribe to our channel. That's the first channel, this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. Make sure you subscribe to all the channels. And for the buy sell indicator, follow this instruction to get it for free. We're giving it away for free for those who don't have a trading account only. If you have a trading account, you can order the indicator here. The indicator works on Deriv MT5 and other Forex broker platform that support MT5. You can use it to trade your Forex pairs, your volatility, crash and boom, and all that. It's very, very effective. It shows you when to buy and when to sell. So for the Pip Stripper board is a link to order it, and for the Toscaper board is a link to order it. And for those who don't have a trading account, use this link to sign up for a free trading account. And here are the links to our YouTube channel. Subscribe to all our channels. We have 3 channels there. Subscribe to all our channels. There are other infos as well that might be useful. Check the video description on YouTube. So I'm going to see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.